ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri ka Sorkar Jilla ba polling dot. Lapan pa wa Menteri rang ba ka Jilla Conrad kongkal sangma. Ïakren ba Menteri rang ba ka Jilla Assam Himanta Beswa Sarma. Hadin ba kalami biang ka Jingïakynad bat ka Jingïakynad ibor hapdeng ki Karbi bat ki khasi Pnar. Ki basa ka snang Lapangap West Jante Hills District. Hadu ars ngiken thi kata nadu ka arpun riu terik unai luar arhajar pulai bat ka blang peteng hadu menta ka arpun nyau terik unai luar arhajar pulai. Ha ka Jingïakren bigila pathai kubor ba polling do ulaong ba ka Jingïakynad hapdeng ki Karbi bat ki Pnar kam dei satya ka jingja ka bathamai. Handai ka dei ka Jingïakynad ka bajudan nadu ka por menchwa bat ong ru ba yakini ki Jingïakynad on sala ban penkut no tang ning ba ka Jingïakynad bet yau pul sam hapdeng ka Jilla Meghalaya ba ka Jilla Assam hakani ka Jingïakynad bet puat hakawat ka baar.
The Chief Minister has taken this up with his Assam counterpart. I believe that a meeting is taking place very soon. These are skirmishes that have always erupted in the past many years. But the solution here will come once we are able to resolve the interstate border dispute with Assam. And as you know, out of the 12 areas of differences, today we have narrowed down the problem areas, and we expect that before end of 2023 the final MOU with the government of Assam will be signed, and that will have the domino effect of taking a check on such skirmishes happening in future. I am given to believe that the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home and the other deputy both will be touring the areas very soon. But to add to the efforts of the state, I think you're aware that we are currently training 2,500 more policemen. Once this training is completed, they will join the workforce. And then 1,500 more vacancies will be filled up by next year, which means a total of 4,000 plus police persons are joining the police force. As of date, we have a huge shortfall of manpower, and that becomes a problem. In the last meeting, which we had along with my Assam counterpart, Mr. Patowari, we have agreed and in fact have narrowed down the areas of differences. So I am confident that once we conduct the site visits, which will happen post monsoon, we already agreed to meet probably in the month of October, because our mandate is to submit our final report in the month of November itself. So we should be in a position to complete the site visit and submit the report. And you will appreciate the fact that today Lampi has become very tranquil and unlike in the recent past.